Drum Course by J.E.
Blessed day guys, welcome to online drum course by Coach J.E. So today's lesson is kick and hand exercise number 2, triplets. So triplets yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Triplet exercise. So yung number 1 pattern natin dito, 1, 2, 3. So 6 bars ulit to. So 6 bars tayo dito. So yung unang pattern is snare lang. 1, right, then kick, left, right, kick, left. So ang bilang natin is triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So pag binilangan natin siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right. Ay, mali. Right, kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, left. So, try natin tong 6 bars na to, yung unang pattern natin. Puro sa snare lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. Okay? So, yung pangalawang pattern natin is snare muna. 1. And yung 1. Then yung 2. Sa tom 1. Tom, kick, tom. So, yung number 3. Sa tom 2. Same pattern. Wala lang tayo ngayon. So, tom 2, kick, tom 2. Then, yung pang 4 is floor tom. Floor tom, kick, floor tom. 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Tom 1. Tom 2. Floor tom. So, 6 bars yan ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos repeat lang kayo, okay? Ito yung kick and hand exercise number 2, triplets.